Use of article the. The is used to talk about a particular person, thing, and universal object. This is a table. The table is made of wood. This is a bird. The bird is singing on the cot. This is a dog. The dog is in the kennel. This is a leaf. The leaf is green. This is a cup. The cup is on the table. This is a duck. The duck is in the pond. The moon is in the sky. The sun is round.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.